This is the continue of previous tutorial. In this tutorial we will add frequency setup, then we will adjust the frequency sweep, and then we will check validation check, and we will go to analyze, and I will check result file. Go to analysis, click on analysis, right click on analysis and add frequency setup. In solution setup, go to in journal. This is the name setup 1. You can change name of it and change here solution frequency. Here I have made 2.5 as the requirement of paper. Put this detail and click on OK. Now go to the analysis. Right click on setup 1. Add frequency sweep. Properties you can check its value. In setup, go to add frequency sweep. You can change the name of sweep, and here you have to select solution type. If you want a fast, you can go for it. If you are doing discrete, you can do for that. I am going for interpolating. Here you can change linear count, another. I am going for linear scale. And do these changes. The start frequency, where the simulation will get start on a graph, and stop gigahertz in gigahertz. This is the requirement of paper. And you always select the step size as minimal as it possible. If I go for 0.001, it will take bigger time for simulation, and because it is checking and analyzing on that step size point. I am going for this. You can change it from 0 to 0.001 or 0.00001. Click on OK. Go ahead. Yes, you can check the property. Now check the validation. It's quite perfect. Before analyzing, you must check the validation. All must be. Click OK. And finally, keep in mind, I give an excitation is given to design. Substrate is okay. Material I have designed down material to all radiation works. All the requirements. Ports. Down ports are assigned perfectly. Excitation is okay. Boundaries are okay. After doing these all procedure, and you must check anything is does not missing, and finally you must check the validation, and finally go for analyze. This is analyze all. It will take almost 15 to 25 minutes to analyze your project, and I am going to analyze this project, and finally we will discuss S parameters are these: design, S11, S22, and we will compare them, and we will do some changes in design, how to shift the band, how to create transmission mirrors, how to create transmission zero at desired position, how to check insertion losses, how to find return losses, and how to find any other parameters related to filter. Just click on Analyze. If you are beginner on HFSS, you can go to in my HFSS tutorial series. You will find all the terminologies related to HFSS and filter. Now I will wait for 20-25 minutes to getting results.